and welcome to another edition of Wild Wild Life, the show where we take you to exotic locales around the world and show you the rarest creatures on Earth in their natural habitat. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Bindi Blueberry, filling in for Eliza Blueberry, who is taking some personal time. Also, side note, the rumors that Eliza was found in the forest, covered in frosting and babbling about bears and things, that's all just internet gossip. There's no way that could have happened. And with the help of Eliza's journals, I've managed to track this elusive creature to this very spot. Hang on. This very spot. And it's going to take a lot of time, but I know I can find him. With all of my training, there is nothing that stands in my way. Oh well. Of course, when I find him, I'm going to shoot him and then dissect him. For science. Of course. Now, Eliza left some interesting notes about the bear man. Specifically, that he is attracted to these yellow cakes. I believe her exact words were, "You're definitely gonna need a lot of yellow cakes. Ha ha ha, ha 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 ha." It's weird that she would write out the sound of laughing. Hey, that's funny. Does anybody else smell frosting? Ha! I got you now! You can't outsmart me! You see, Mr. Bearman, what you didn't know is that you are about to fall right into glue trap. Somebody help me! Larry! I can't see!
The bear man, because I didn't get near as hot as I did last time.
I made wings. If this is a battle of wits, you are going to lose. Do you know how many PhDs I have? Ugh. You won this round.